was like, but I decided I'll do an unboxing of this fidget spinner. Oh, I know what happened. I barely spun it. This is a Captain America fidget spinner. I got it off of Amazon. Sometimes it's used this way. I need one just in case. Got it off of Amazon. Go order it on Amazon and it will be awesome and cool. Links in the description down below. And hope you guys like it and enjoy. Hope if you guys already have a fidget spinner, you enjoy it. And if you guys want this fidget spinner and your mom says yes to ordering it, enjoy it. So I'm gonna put it back in the case. As you can see, it's back in the case.